2 Corinthians, chapter 08, MCQ. This chapter is primarily about generosity and fulfilling the commitment to help others in need. Using both human examples and the example of Christ to motivate the Corinthians. This chapter has 4 headings and 24 verses. Headings: Encouragement to be generous 1 to 7. The example of Christ. Verses 8 to 9. Completion of the giving. Verses 10 to 15. Commendation of Titus. Verses 16 to 24. Heading 1, Encouragement to be generous. Verses 1 to 7. Paul begins by praising the Macedonian churches for their generosity despite their poverty and severe trials. He uses their example to encourage the Corinthians to give generously. The Macedonian poor gave beyond their means with great joy and eagerness. Paul highlights that generosity is an important Christian virtue, urging the Corinthians to excel in it, just as they excel in faith, speech, knowledge, and love. Heading 2, The example of Christ. Verses 8 to 9. Paul explains that he is not commanding the Corinthians to give but is testing the sincerity of their love by comparing it with others' earnestness. He points to Jesus Christ as the ultimate example of generosity, reminding them that although Christ was rich, he became poor for their sake, so they could become spiritually rich. Heading 3, Completion of the giving. Verses 10 to 15. Paul advises the Corinthians to finish what they had started the previous year in their efforts to give. He encourages them to give according to their means and not beyond their capacity, emphasizing that it is the rather than the amount that is important. Paul stresses fairness, explaining that their abundance should meet the needs of others. So there is equality, just as God provided for everyone during the time of manna in the wilderness. Heading 4, Commendation of Titus. Verses 16 to 24. Paul praises Titus, who has the same concern for the Corinthians and is coming to them voluntarily to help them completing the collection. Along with Titus, Paul sends another brother who is highly churches for preaching the gospel. Paul assures the Corinthians that the administration of this financial gift is being handled carefully to avoid any suspicion. He ends by asking the Corinthians to show their love openly by completing the offering, which will give the other boast about them. Question 1. 2 Corinthians 8:1. We want you to know, brothers and sisters, about what did Paul want the Corinthians to know about the churches of Macedonia? A. Their faith in the Lord, the grace of God granted to them. C. Their spiritual gifts. D. Their leadership in the church. Answer: B. The grace of God granted to them. Question 2. 2 Corinthians 8:2. For during a severe ordeal of affliction, there, what did the churches of Macedonia display during their trials? A. Wealth and prosperity. B. Abundant poverty. C. Spiritual strength. D. Generosity without affliction. Answer B. Abundant joy and extreme poverty. Question 3. 2 Corinthians 8:3. For, as I can testify, they voluntarily gave according to. How did the churches of Macedonia give? A. Reluctantly and sparingly. B. C. According to and beyond their means. D. In secret and anonymously. Answer C. According to and beyond their means. Question 4. 2 Corinthians 8:4. Begging us earnestly for the privilege of. What were the Macedonian churches eager to do? A. Take on leadership roles. B. Share in the ministry to the saints. Avoid hardship. D. Travel with Paul. Answer B. Share in the ministry to the saints. Question 5. 2 Corinthians 8:5. They gave themselves first to the Lord and. What did the Macedonians do first before giving? A. Consulted with Paul. B. Gave themselves to the Lord. Gathered their resources. D. Waited for approval from others. Answer B. Gave themselves to the Lord. Question 6. 2 Corinthians 8:6. So that we might urge Titus that, as he had, what was Titus urged to complete among the Corinthians? A. The preaching of the gospel. B. The jetting. C. The building of a church. D. The collection of taxes. Answer B. The generous undertaking. Question 7. 2 Corinthians 8:7. Now as you excel in everything. In faith. In which areas did Paul say the Corinthians excel? A. Faith, speech, knowledge, and love. B. Faith, miracles, visions, and healing. C. Wisdom, knowledge, leadership, and strength. D. Speech, prayer, fasting, and service. Faith, speech, knowledge, eagerness, and love. Question 8. 2 Corinthians 8:8. I do not say this as a command, but I am. Why did Paul not command the Corinthians? A. He was unsure of their willingness. B. He was testing the genuine. C. He wanted them to figure it out. D. He didn't have authority over them. Answer B. He was testing the genuineness of their love. Question 9. 2 Corinthians 8:9. For you know the generous act of our Lord Jesus Christ. What did Jesus Christ do for the sake of others? A. Became poor so that others might become rich. Performed miracles for the rich and the poor. C. Gave money to the needy. D. Taught them about generosity. Answer. A. Became poor so that others might become rich. Question 10. 2 Corinthians 8:10. And in this matter I am giving my advice. What was Paul's advice to the Corinthians regarding their eagerness? A. Continue their efforts in giving. B. Stop their giving. Increase their wealth first. D. Rely on others for help. Answer. A. Continue their efforts in giving. Question 11. 2 Corinthians 8:11. Now finish doing it, so that your eagerness may be. How should their eagerness be matched? A. By their prayer and fasting. B. By completing the work according. C. By giving more than they can afford. D. By following others' examples. Answer. B. By completing the work according to their means. Question 12. 2 Corinthians 8:12. For if the eagerness is there, the gift is acceptable according. What makes a gift acceptable? A. Its size and value. B. Its alignment with others' gifts. What one has, not what one doesn't have. D. The intention behind it. Answer. C. What one has, not what one doesn't have. Question 13. 2 Corinthians 8:13. I do not mean that there should be relief for others. What balance did Paul emphasize? A. A balance of work and rest. B. A fair balance between relief for on the Corinthians. C. A balance of gifts between churches. D. A balance of wealth and poverty. Answer. B. A fair balance between relief for others and pressure on the Corinthians. Question 14. 2 Corinthians 8:14. Your present abundance and their need, so that their abundance, which is the purpose of balancing abundance and need. A. To ensure fairness. B. To display C. To make others dependent. D. To gain recognition. Answer. A. To ensure fairness. Question 15. 2 Corinthians 8:15. As it is written, the one who had much did not. Which is the principle behind having much or little? A. Those who have more should give more. B. Those who have more. C. Everyone should have neither too much nor too little. D. Wealth should be equally distributed. Answer. C. Everyone should have neither too much nor too little. Question 16. 2 Corinthians 8:16. But thanks be to God who put in the heart. What did God put into Titus' heart? A. Eagerness for the Corinthians. B. The desire to lead. C. Penance. D. Generosity to the poor. Answer: A. Eagerness for the Corinthians. Question 17. 2 Corinthians 8:17. For he not only accepted our appeals, but since he, what was Titus' response to Paul's appeal? A. He ignored it. B. He accepted it and went on. C. He delayed his journey. D. He delegated the task to others. Answer: B. He accepted it and went of his own accord. Question 18. 2 Corinthians 8:18. With him we are sending the brother who is famous. What is this brother known for among the churches? A. Performing miracles. B. Proclaiming the good news. Writing letters. D. Leading congregations. Answer: B. Proclaiming the good news. Question 19. 2 Corinthians 8:19. And not only that, but he has also been appointed. What role was the brother appointed to by the churches? A. Leading a church. B. Traveling with Paul the generous undertaking. C. Preaching the gospel. D. Managing finances. Answer: B. Traveling with Paul to administer the generous undertaking. Question 20. 2 Corinthians 8:21. For we intend to do what is right not only. In whose sight did Paul intend to do what is right? A. The Corinthians. B. The Lord's and others' own. D. The churches. Answer: B. The Lord's and others. Question 21. 2 Corinthians 8:1. We want you to know, brothers and sisters, about the blank of God that has been granted to the churches of blank. A. Love, Galatia. B. Judea. C. Grace, Macedonia. D. Mercy, Jerusalem. Answer: C. Grace, Macedonia. Question 22. 2 Corinthians 8:2. For during a severe ordeal of blank, their abundant blank and their extreme poverty have overflowed in a wealth of generosity. A. Affliction, joy, trial, faith. C. Suffering, peace. D. Testing, hope. Answer: A. Affliction, joy. Question 23. 2 Corinthians 8:3. For, as I can testify, they blank gave according to their blank, and even beyond their means. A. Reluctantly, ability. B. Means. C. Eagerly, wealth. D. Generously, gifts. Answer B. Voluntarily, means. Question 24. 2 Corinthians 8:4. Begging us earnestly for the blank of sharing in this ministry to the blank. A. Right, saints. B. Honor, apostles. C. Saints. D. Opportunity, poor. Answer C. Privilege, saints. Question 25. 2 Corinthians 8:5. They gave themselves first to the blank and by the will of God to blank. A. People, others. B. Lord, us. C. God. D. Saints, Christ. Answer B. Lord, us. Question 26. 2 Corinthians 8:6. So that we might urge blank that, as he had already made a beginning, so he should also blank this generous undertaking among you. A. Timplish. B. Paul, finish. C. Titus, complete. D. Peter, initiate. Answer C. Titus, complete. Question 27. 2 Corinthians 8:7. Now as you excel in everything, in faith, in speech, in knowledge, in utmost eagerness, and in our blank for you. So we want you to excel also in this blank undertaking. A. Service, spiritual. B. Love, generous. C. Care, great. D. Hope, fruitful. Answer B. Love, generous. Question 28. 2 Corinthians 8:8. I do not say this as a command, but I am testing the blank of your love against the blank of others. A. Depth, feelings. B. Actions. C. Sincerity, earnestness. D. Authenticity, faith. Answer C. Sincerity, earnestness. Question 29. 2 Corinthians 8:9. For you know the generous act of our Lord Jesus Christ, that though he was blank, yet for your sakes he became blank, so that by his poverty you might become rich. A. Holy, humble. B. Poor, rich. C. Rich, poor. D. Strong, weak. Answer C. Rich, poor. Question 30. 2 Corinthians 8:10. And in this matter I am giving my advice. It is blank for you who began last year not only to do something but even to blank to do something. A. beneficial. B. Profitable, prepare. C. Appropriate, desire. D. Important, continue. Answer C. Appropriate, desire. Question 31. 2 Corinthians 8:11. Now finish doing it, so that your blank may be matched by completing it according to your blank. A. Eagerness, means. B. Effort, wealth, strength, power. D. Desire, riches. Answer A. Eagerness, means. Question 32. 2 Corinthians 8:12. For if the eagerness is there, the gift is blank, according to what one has, not according to what one blank. A. Useful, lacks. B. Accepts, not have. C. Necessary, seeks. D. Generous, receives. Answer B. Acceptable, does not have. Question 33. 2 Corinthians 8:13. I do not mean that there should be blank for others and blank on you, but it is a question of a fair balance. A. Wealth, poverty. B. Bless. C. Relief, pressure. D. Joy, burden. Answer C. Relief, pressure. Question 34. 2 Corinthians 8:14. Your present blank and their need, so that their blank may be for your need, in order that there may be a fair balance. A. Faith, love. B. Abundance. C. Generosity, desire. D. Effort, care. Answer B. Abundance, abundance. Question 35. 2 Corinthians 8:15. As it is written, the one who had much did not have to blank, and the one who had little did not have to blank. A. Much, little. B. Little. C. Great, little. D. Plenty, few. Answer A. Much, little. Question 36. 2 Corinthians 8:16. But thanks be to God who put in the heart of blank the same blank for you that I myself have. A. Timothy, zeal. B. Peter, Key, Titus, eagerness. D. John, love. Answer C. Titus, eagerness. Question 37. 2 Corinthians 8:17. For he not only accepted our blank, but since he is more blank than ever, he is going to you of his own accord. A. Appeal, eager. B. Willing. C. Request, capable. D. Invitation, confident. Answer A. Appeal, eager. Question 38. 2 Corinthians 8:18. With him we are sending the brother who is blank among all the churches for his proclaiming pay. Blank. A. Famous, gospel. B. Known, law, pointed, truth. D. Trusted, word. Answer. A. Famous, gospel. Question 39. 2 Corinthians 8:19. And not only that, but he has also been appointed by the blank to travel with us while we are administering this blank undertaking. A. People. B. Elders, generous. C. Churches, generous. D. Apostles, great. Answer. C. Churches, generous. Question 40. 2 Corinthians 8:20. We intend that no one should blank us about this generous blank that we are administering. A. Question, offering. B. Blame, gift, accuse, act. D. Doubt, gesture. Answer. B. Blame, gift. Question 41. 2 Corinthians 8:21. For we intend to do what is blank, not only in the blank sight but also in the sight of others. A. Fair, lords. B. Wise, C. Right, lords. D. Just, peoples. Answer. C. Right, lords. Question 42. 2 Corinthians 8:22. And with them we are sending our brother whom we have often tested and found blank in many matters, but who is now more blank than ever because of his great confidence in you. A. Strong, confident. B. Faithful, loving. C. Capable, eager. D. Eager, capable. Answer. C. Capable, eager. Question 43. 2 Corinthians 8:23. As for blank, he is my partner and co-worker in your service. As for our brothers, they are blank of the churches. The glory of Christ. A. Leaders. B. Titus, messengers. C. Peter, servants. D. Paul, elders. Answer. B. Titus, messengers. Question 44. 2 Corinthians 8:24. Therefore openly before the churches, show them the proof of your blank and of our reason for blank about you. A. Faith, boasting. B. Praising. C. Love, boasting. D. Generosity, admiring. Answer. C. Love, boasting. Please subscribe this channel for more videos like this.